Well, here's another part of the video. I'm going to film the Phantom 4 Pro follow me on the scooter, and I'm going to film back with the GoPro. Okay, so it's in follow me mode, so let's see what happens. Okay. Got my hands full here. Everything. It filming me. Here we go. That's someone following me. Phantom 4 is following me, as you see. Hopefully it's catching it on film here. You know, it's kind of hard to ride here. One hand looking all around and everything with one thing. So just bear with me here. I don't want to get ran over. Hold on. There it comes. There it is up there following me.